Just wanted to give you a demo of a little upgrade I've made to my Jaguar touchscreen head unit, which is to include Android functionality. So there's an Android system running on an Odroid single board computer installed in the glove compartment. The LCD panel has been completely replaced with a new panel, a new video controller, and the video controller is running some custom firmware which can take the RGB signal from the DVD nav in the boot, which is running all the Jaguar functions here, but also can take HDMI input from the Odroid. So you can see here it looks fairly normal. You can access the AM/FM radio, the telephone, I've got the Bluetooth module fitted here, the climate control, and any of the menu functions that are built into the standard touchscreen. The big difference here is that there's an Arduino which is scanning all of these hard buttons here, and I've programmed it so that if I hit nav, it sends an I2C command to the video controller, which then switches to the HDMI input from the Odroid. So on my Android installation, I'm running an app called Car Launcher Pro, which is a really good car front end, just to give a simplified launcher to various apps. So I've added on here TomTom and Spotify, which are probably the two apps that I find most useful. So if I hit TomTom here, with the addition of a USB GPS module to the Odroid, you can run the normal TomTom system to give you a pretty much more up-to-date navigation than the inbuilt Jaguar system. So if I hit home here, it takes me back to Car Launcher Pro, and I've got Spotify installed as well, so I can launch that, and that'll bring up your standard Spotify app on Android with all your playlists and stuff like that. Obviously you need an internet connection to be able to stream, but you can set stuff offline. So at home you could set stuff offline over Wi-Fi, and then you can play that out while you're driving along. So at the moment it's still playing the audio from the FM radio system, but because I've done the cassette aux-in mod, I've got my Odroid into the aux-in on the cassette player. So if I press tape here, it's then playing from the Spotify input here. So you can see you can use your standard navigation to find all your playlists and any of the standards Spotify functionality here. I can then switch back to the other standard functions here on the OEM touchscreen, and it'll keep playing the Odroid input because obviously it's using the cassette input here. If I go into audio, you can see it's playing from the cassette, which is the aux-in. You can switch back to the FM if you want to do that. So you can have your FM radio playing while you're on your Odroid system, or you can switch again back to tape to play from your Odroid. So that's Spotify playing in the background. That's pretty much it. So it's the same head unit on the XJ X350, X358, the X-Type and the S-Type. It's quite a simple mod. Have a look on jaguarforums.com, where I've got a how-to on how you can do it.